In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero search feature. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to find the contacts and transactions you need without digging through menus or reports. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Xero.com. Sign into your organization the way you usually do. Once your dashboard loads, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small magnifying glass icon. That's the search tool. Click it to open the search field. The search panel will appear instantly, ready for your keywords. Now let's put it to work. You can search for contacts and transactions right from here. If you're looking for a contact, type the person's name or the company name. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear beneath the search box. When you recognize the right contact, click it to jump straight to their profile. This is especially helpful if you need a quick snapshot of their recent invoices, bills, or outstanding balances. If you're searching for a transaction, try entering details like an invoice number, a bill reference, a customer or supplier name, or even a distinctive word from the description. You can also try amounts if you remember the exact figure. The results will begin to refine as you type, and you can select the correct invoice, bill, credit note, or payment directly from the list. If you don't see what you need right away, press enter to view a fuller results page and scan more matches. A few tips to make searching faster and more accurate. Use specific keywords when you can. Adding an invoice number or a unique word from the description narrows things down quickly. If a name has multiple spellings, try a shorter fragment. Partial matches often help surface what you need. If results feel off, make sure you're in the correct organization, since search looks within the one you've opened. And if something you expect doesn't appear, double check your spelling and consider whether the contact is archived or the transaction is voided, as those may be filtered differently depending on your view. Once you find the contact or transaction, click to open it, review the details, and continue your work. Send a reminder, reconcile, or update as needed. That's all there is to it. Go to Xero.com, open the search at the top right, and search for contacts and transactions using clear, specific terms. With a bit of practice, this becomes the fastest way to navigate your day in Xero.